Welcome to the Daily Rant. So today, what's in the rant? Well, surprise, surprise. You have to love it. It's now on your PC. Microsoft made you a big favor this week as the Patch Tuesday updates, which, of course, in turn pushed the bug-fixing updates of January, as pushed on Windows 10 and 11. Outlook. Of course you want Outlook. Why use Mail and Calendar? Useless. Outlook's so much better. This is what you need to do. This is what you need to use. I hope you love it. I'm sure you're going to love it. That's pretty much what Microsoft says. So this is the Daily Rant, of course, that mentions the Microsoft idea that it's always better for you what they decide they want, and that Outlook is here and you have to love it. So, we had it coming through 2024. Microsoft had announced several times that Outlook would eventually replace. They started by annoying us by switching our mail and calendar to Outlook, but we still had the little switch to go back. And now, well, that switch is gone. And if you're trying to open mail, well, you just go to the Outlook app. So some people find it okay. It depends what you do. I don't hate it necessarily. For what I do, I mostly use online mail, and almost all my mail is direct. But for what I do, I do so little in emails that I'm okay with it. But, heavy email users might not. I know a lot of people don't find it to do what they need, and that there are some missing options. There's always this, why couldn't we still continue using mail if we wanted to? Microsoft, of course, stating that it's a security issue. They can't continue, updating every single software that exists out there to keep users safe. So, the logical explanation is that we'll move on to Outlook because, that means they can stop making security updates for the mail and calendar app. And, of course, they had to do it on Windows 10, which is interesting because Windows 10 being at the end of support, I think they should have just left alone mail and calendar, and it's like, well, it's going to die with Windows 10, and that's it. But nope, they had to annoy everybody, including the users of the biggest market share operating system, Windows 10. So be happy. It's there, and you should smile and read and write emails with thinking how Microsoft did you a really big favor with the new Outlook app. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.